Good morning, students. This is Latif sir. In this video, I am continuing the second chapter of class 6 chemistry. So first, I'll discuss about symbols of elements. So first, you have to know what is a chemical symbol. A chemical symbol is the representation of an atom of an element or the element itself. A chemical symbol is the representation of an atom of an element or the element itself. For example, the chemical symbol of hydrogen is H. Chemical symbol of hydrogen is H, capital H, which also represent one atom of hydrogen. Scientist Lavoisier was the first to introduce the system of nomenclature of elements, and he classified elements as gases, earth metals, and non-metals. And after Lavoisier, Dalton gave the atomic theory and proposed a new set of standard symbol of chemical elements. And later, finally, John Jacob Berzelius gave the modern system of symbolization of elements. Okay, and according to Berzelius, I have told that Berzelius gave the modern system of symbol. Okay, and Berzelius symbol have been derived from English and Latin name of the element in the following manner. Berzelius symbol have been derived from the English and Latin name of the elements in the following manner. First one, symbol of some elements are derived from the first letter of their English name. Symbol of some elements are derived from the first letter of their English name. For example, symbol of hydrogen is H, first letter only. Okay, the symbol of carbon is C. Symbol of nitrogen is N. Okay, symbol of oxygen is O. Symbol of phosphorus is P. Symbol of sulfur is S. Symbol of iodine is I. Okay, so these are first letter symbol. Okay, so symbol of some elements derived from the first letter of their English name. Now second rules, if two or more elements have name beginning with the same letter, one more letter is added to the first letter to distinguish them. For example, chromium has symbol Cr and chlorine has symbol Cl. Both chlorine and the name of both chlorine and chromium started with C. Okay, to distinguish chromium and chlorine, two letter symbol is used, and for chromium you have to use Cr, and for chlorine you have to write Cl, and for cobalt you have to write CO. Okay, so the symbol is written with the first letter in uppercase and the second letter in lowercase. So first letter you have to write in capital. Okay, for example, symbol of helium is He, because only H is used for hydrogen. So symbol of helium is He, two letter symbol. Symbol of magnesium is Mg. Symbol of aluminium is Al. Symbol of silicon is Si. Symbol of chlorine is Cl. Symbol of calcium is Ca. Symbol of manganese is Mn. Symbol of cobalt is Co. Symbol of zinc is Zn. These are two letter symbols. Now see, symbol of some elements derived from their Latin name. Symbol of some elements like sodium, potassium, symbol of these elements derived from their Latin name. For example, sodium, its Latin name is natrium. So from natrium it is Na. So symbol of sodium is Na, natrium. Symbol of potassium, from kalium, Latin name of potassium is kalium. So from kalium the symbol of potassium is K. Symbol of iron, from its Latin name ferrum, it is Fe. Symbol of copper, from cuprum, it is Cu. Symbol of silver, from argentum, it is Ag. Okay, symbol of gold is Au, from its Latin name aurum, Aurum. Symbol of mercury is Hg from its Latin name hydrargyrum, and symbol of lead is Pb from its Latin name plumbum, and symbol of tin is Sn from its Latin name stannum. So symbol of some elements derived from their Latin name, okay, from their Latin name, and symbol of some elements derived from their English name also, okay. Now see periodic table. What is periodic table? Nowadays almost 118 elements are found in nature, okay, and scientists have arranged these elements using their symbol in a tabular form, which is called modern periodic table. Scientists have arranged all these elements in a tabular form using their symbol, and this table is known as modern periodic table. And a part of modern periodic table is given here. You can see this is the modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, each box contain one element, okay, and in modern periodic table there are some vertical column and horizontal rows. These are vertical column from top to bottom up to 18. There are total 18 columns and total 7 rows, horizontal rows from left to right, total 7 horizontal rows, okay. And in this modern periodic table, elements are arranged in a tabular form, and in modern periodic table the horizontal rows are called periods, and the vertical columns are known as groups. In modern periodic table there are total 18 groups and total 18 groups and 7 periods, okay. And elements, first 20 elements in the periodic table is given. The list of first 20 elements in the periodic table is given here. Hydrogen is hydrogen, helium, you have to remember like this: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. These are first 20 elements in the periodic table, and their symbols are also given, okay. Now see atomicity. Next topic is atomicity. What is atomicity? You know, atoms combine to give molecule, okay. And the term atomicity is related to molecule, okay. The element of atoms, the number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. Number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. For example, in oxygen molecule there are total 2 oxygen atoms are there. In hydrogen molecule 2 hydrogen atoms are there. In ozone molecules there are total 3 oxygen atoms, okay. So atomicity is the number of atoms present in a molecule. So an atomicity, it is written as subscript on the right hand side of the chemical symbol of the element. If the molecule of an element contains only one atom, its atomicity is 1. And it is not written after the symbol as the symbol itself represents one atom. And if the molecule of an element contains 2 atoms, then its atomicity is 2. If the molecule of an element contains 3 atoms, then its atomicity is 3, okay. So a molecule consisting of a single atom is known as monoatomic molecule. Monoatomic molecules are those molecules which consist of only one atom. So monoatomic molecules has atomicity 1, and if a molecule consisting of 2 atoms, then it is known as diatomic molecule, that is atomicity is 2, okay. And if a molecule consisting of 3 atoms, then it is known as triatomic molecules and its atomicity is 3, okay. So a molecule made up of more than one atom is commonly termed as polyatomic molecule. A molecule made up of more than one atom is commonly is commonly termed as polyatomic molecules. If more than one atom is present in the molecule, then it is known as polyatomic molecule. Okay. And the atoms of monoatomic molecule exist independently as molecule. Now here in this table some elements and their atomicity is given. For example, sodium, potassium, iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, gold, silver, mercury, chromium, cobalt, manganese and lead. These elements exist as monoatomic molecule. Okay, and their molecular formula also given, you can see from here. Okay, and some elements like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon is monoatomic. Remember that carbon is monoatomic. Okay, these are non-metal. Carbon is monoatomic non-metals, and hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are diatomic, and phosphorus is polyatomic, atomicity is 4, sulfur is polyatomic and atomicity is 8. Okay, and the formula sulfur is S8 and formula of phosphorus is P4. Okay, so these are some monoatomic metals and their symbols, molecular formula also given here. And now see monoatomic noble gases like helium, neon, argon. These are monoatomic, they exist as a single atom. Okay. And some monoatomic metalloids, arsenic, antimony, these are monoatomic metalloids. Now here one note is given. In writing chemical formula of element, the number written before the symbol represent the number of following atoms or molecule. For example, 2n would mean two nitrogen atoms. 2n means 2 nitrogen atom, and 2n2 means 2 nitrogen molecule. 2n2 means 2 nitrogen molecules. So 2n and n2 are not same. 2n means 2 nitrogen atom and n2 means 1 nitrogen molecule. Okay, thank you students.